I'm feeling a little sad. I really want to go outside. Here comes the other one. My little rebel boy. Simba. Simba. You want to go outside, baby? Mommy, I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I need to find another way to go outside. I really want to go outside, Mom. I'm not happy about this. Let me go back to my spot. Going back by the pantry. There he goes. I really need to find a way. I'm not liking it. Oh, hello. I'm not talking to you, Mom. I'm not talking to you. Let me eat something. Forget it. Gotta eat the grass. Right, Mom?